Entry door installation in Houston, Texas, is a crucial service for homeowners and businesses looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and security. With a variety of entry doors Houston options available, including wooden entry doors, steel entry doors, and fiberglass entry doors, residents can choose the perfect style to match their aesthetic preferences and functional needs. Entry door installation experts in Houston provide professional services to ensure a seamless and efficient process. Front door replacement in Houston is a popular choice for those seeking to upgrade their home's entrance. Whether you're interested in custom entry doors or energy-efficient doors, the options are endless. Front door replacement not only improves the appearance of your home, but also enhances its security and energy efficiency. With a focus on quality and durability, Houston's door installation companies offer a wide range of front door replacement solutions. Custom Entry Doors Houston offer homeowners the opportunity to create a unique and personalized entrance. With a variety of materials, designs, and finishes available, custom entry doors can be tailored to fit any architectural style. Entry door customization allows for the incorporation of specific features such as entry door hardware and entry door accessories, ensuring a perfect match for your home's exterior. Energy-efficient doors in Houston are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. These doors are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Energy-efficient doors. Houston options include advanced materials and technologies that provide superior insulation and weatherproofing. Door replacement services in Houston are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your entry doors. From door frame replacement to entry door maintenance, professional door replacement services ensure that your doors remain in top condition. Regular maintenance and timely replacements can extend the lifespan of your doors and prevent costly replacements. Wooden entry doors in Houston are a classic choice for those seeking a timeless and elegant look. Known for their natural beauty and warmth, wooden entry doors can be customized with various stains and finishes to complement any home style. Houston's door installation experts offer a wide selection of wooden entry doors to suit every taste and budget. Steel entry doors in Houston provide unmatched security and durability. Ideal for both residential and commercial entry doors, steel doors offer superior protection against forced entry and harsh weather conditions. With a range of styles and finishes available, steel entry doors can enhance the security and aesthetic appeal of any property. Fiberglass entry doors Houston are a popular choice for their versatility and low maintenance requirements. These doors offer the look of wood with the durability of steel, making them an excellent option for homeowners seeking a balance between style and functionality. Fiberglass entry doors are available in various designs and finishes to suit any home. Entry door hardware in Houston is an essential component of any door installation. From locks and handles to hinges and door knockers, entry door hardware adds both functionality and style to your doors. Houston's door installation companies offer a wide range of hardware options to complement any entry door design.